Hi everyone and welcome to this new video on our YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about an effective way to start an online store without having to manage inventory, dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell products online without having to physically buy and manage them. In practice, the seller only has to promote the products and manage the website, while the shipping and inventory management are the responsibility of the supplier. But how can you use dropshipping to start an online store? Here are some practical tips. Before starting to look for products to sell in dropshipping, it's important to identify your niche market. Try to find a market area where there is strong demand, but few competitors. After identifying your niche market, it's important to find the right suppliers. There are many online dropshipping platforms, such as Oberlo, Salehu, or AliExpress, that offer products at competitive prices. To start a successful dropshipping online store, it's important to create an effective and easy-to-navigate website. Use an intuitive user interface and an eye-catching design to attract customers. To be successful with dropshipping, it's important to choose the right products. Look for products with strong demand, high profit margins, and low competition. Once you have selected the right products and created an effective website, it's important to promote your online store. Use social media platforms, influencer marketing, and online advertising campaigns to reach your target audience. Now that you understand how to use dropshipping to start an online store, all you have to do is put these tips into practice and start selling products online without having to manage inventory. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.